Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday and we have a 3-layer cake. Our first layer is our routines. We start with our morning routines. Our children come in second with their routines. And this includes a bed that's made, a bathroom that looks nice and tidy. You've cleaned the sink and the toilet. The kids have completed their morning things and hung up their towel and dried the sink out and made sure that they didn't leave toothpaste in it. And their dress, their dirty clothes, their pajamas are put in the dirty clothes if they're dirty or put away if they're clean. The same for you. And everybody comes to the table with a clean face and brushed hair, and hopefully you've moisturized your skin and put on a little makeup if you wear it, and you know, a little jewelry, a little perfume, a little jewelry, a little perfume. Yeah. So anyway, that's your morning routine. If you're going to work, off you go. If you are not going out of the house for work or downstairs to your office for work or whatever, and you're an at-home fly baby, then you're going to put in a load of laundry and go through an inch of paper if you still have paper clutter. Then you're going to follow this with your your basic weekly plan. And on Friday, that's car and purse day. That is such a tiny little thing. It's almost not like not having a basic weekly plan item to do, because you're just going to go to your car, which I know you've been keeping clean when you get out of it and when you turn the ignition off, however you do that. That's your reminder to pick up what you brought in and to get your passengers to pick up what they brought in, no matter how small. If it's a baby, then you pick it up. Bring it all in the house. Don't just dump it on the counter. Go put it away. Complete your process. So when you go out today to clean it, you're just going to look at it, and maybe a little something is snuck in here and there. Maybe you need to wipe it with a Lysol wipe or something like that, or just a damp cloth, and maybe shake your what do you call them? Shake your mats. Shake your mats. You know, depending on the weather, you might not be able to do that right now, but if it's great weather, maybe you can even, if you feel like it and it's that time, take it to the car wash, vacuum it out there, or have it vacuumed, your call. It's also a good day to do other things for your car. Is it time for the oil to be changed? This is the day you would have scheduled to do that on a Friday. Is it a day you want to go ahead and fuel your car for the week? This is a great time to do that. Another thing is to dump out that purse and only put back in what you want, where you want it. Throw the trash away and put the stuff that you're not using away. Okay? Okay, next we're going to go on to our zone. This is our last day in zone 2, the kitchen. So if you don't have clutter, you're going to work for 10 minutes doing one thing, and it might not take you 10 minutes, doing one thing in the kitchen. One deep, clean thing. This is how we keep our house clean. If you do it every single month, you'll be working every month in your kitchen for approximately 40 minutes, or you'll be doing 16 deep, clean things in the kitchen. If you do that every month, and you do 16 deep, clean things in each one of these zones, every single month, your house is always going to be clean. So when we do the basic weekly plan thing on Monday, which is our weekly home blessing hour, remember it's a blessing, not a deep clean, because the deep clean happens on these zones. We're just blessing. Don't get overwhelmed and act like you have to deep clean on that day. Okay? All right, next we're going to go ahead with actually, that's it. That's all you have to do. Then you're going to have after dinner routine, before bed routine. Ta-da! Now, it's also date night. So I hope you've planned a date and you have a date with your sweetheart. Now, if you're working, you're going to come home. When you get home, you're going to put in a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper. If you do this every night, it's going to become a habit, and you're not going to feel like you're so put upon, because it's what you do when you come home. You put in a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper, start your dinner, and do your zone. That's it. It's what you're going to do. Work in the kitchen for 10 minutes. Or if you have clutter, either you or your at-home fly babies have clutter in the kitchen, then it's 15 minutes. But after a while, especially when you're doing your 3 clutter checks a day, morning, afternoon, and evening, to prevent the reclutter, then that's going to help you keep this uncluttered, and then you're going to be able to go into your deep cleaning, which is the easiest part of doing the Flylady routines. Okay. Or the Flylady system. All right, so tonight you're going to make sure that you have a nice date, the kids are handled, and then before bed, you're going to still do your before bed routine. So if you stay out a little later than you planned, coach yourself. Know before you go. When you come home, you're going to take off your eye makeup. You're going to wash your face. You're going to brush your hair. You're going to brush your teeth. You're going to floss your teeth. You're going to put on your pajamas. You're going to put your clothes away if they're clean. You're going to put your clothes in the dirty clothes if they're dirty. You're going to cream your hands and your legs and your arms if you need to. And you're going to slide into a nice clean bed and go to sleep. Have a wonderful evening. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Friday. And I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.